Hello traders, this is Kajet and the Scalp Lord from Silent Peeps, back on the charts again today with another exciting video for you. Today I just want to be doing a brief review of the trade I took today on US 100. Some of you may know it as Nasdaq, you may know it as NAS 100. Some of you may see US Tech in your brokers. It's the same thing, it's the same Nasdaq or the same US 100, which I did take the trade on today, which grew me by 1% increase on my account. Guys, if you're a trader and you're able to grow by 1% increase, that is a lot, guys. You are doing so well if you're able to just grow by 1% increase a day. That's 10% in 10 trading days. That is so great for a trader, guys. Let me just go directly to the trade that I took, and let me show you my thoughts and how I manage a trade and my entry as well, so that you can consider what I've done when trading for yourself. So I did do my normal top-down analysis. I just understood that price was obviously moving to the downside, so we're looking for sales. I just wanted to scalp, grow by 1% and leave the market. I did not trade a London session this day because I was not really in the mood to trade today, so I just came during in New York and tried to see whether I could just grow by 1% a day, and then I left the chart after making 1%. So let me quickly rush to the trade, and let's see what I did. So I was on NAS 100 and I just did my normal top-down analysis, and I did spot these two levels here. I spotted this price level here, and I did spot this price level here. So these were the two levels that I spotted. These two levels, this level number one and the second one. So these were the two levels which I spotted in the price. Then what I did was I just went now to lower time frames to look for entries to sell only. So I had a sell bias when I went to the market. I had a sell bias already in my mind, guys. So I did my top down to get the original bias or the directional bias of the market. Then I go to lower time frames to get the entry to that directional bias. So I did move down to, I think also 5 minutes or something, and on the 5 minutes price was coming down like to this level here. Price was coming down around this zone here. Price came down very close to this zone, and I could not enter a short trade here because it was close to support. And you know, as a trader, you should not sell into support. That's the last thing you should do, selling into a support. Wait for price to break the support, then you start getting sales. So I also was on a 1 minute chart, so this is what I did on a 1 minute chart. I wanted price to surely break this 1 minute level here for me to enter a buy to the upside. So I was expecting a movement in price, something like this, price to break and move to the upside. But unfortunately price did not break to the upside, and I do not want to sell before the support level, so I let price to break and price move down. So I did miss the trade setup. I missed the opportunity, which would have given me quite a lot of money, but I missed the opportunity. So I did not regret that I missed the opportunity, guys. So what I did was I just waited for price to give me price action, which I could understand. I was still on this very low time frame, so price did come and reach this support level that I drew below here. The support level down here, price came down to the support level, so I knew price has to move up a bit and retest it before going higher. So I just wanted to make 1% increase of my account. So what I did was I waited for price to move and retest it like this with this touch down here. So when it touched that level the second time, what I did was I wanted to spot a break of structure to the direction of which I want to take the trade. So I just spotted this minor resistance on a 1 minute chart, which was this level here. Spotted this minor resistance or something like that, and I drew my zone on the M1, and all I was waiting for is for price to break that level. So the moment I saw this candlestick on the M1 broke this level, I know that is kind of a double bottom, and price has broken the neckline and is going up. So I just decided to take a 1:1 trade. So I entered my buy somewhere around the close of this candle here. My stop losses were below this structure, but my take profit was quite close, just like a 1:1 or something. You will see in the video that is below the screen. You see the video below the screen, or the screenshot as well. You see that it was $1,000, 1% increase of my account, and you can see the trade. So this was the trade setup I took, and this trade alone gave me 1%. So there was no need for me to keep trading. You see there are a lot of opportunities, but there was no need for me to keep trading again. I just decided to leave the charts and go, and I'll come back tomorrow to see what the market has for me. So guys, you see how I manage my risks. I had my stop losses placed below this level and my take profit up here. I had a stop loss in my chart and my take profit. Well, I exited my trade manually because I was sitting on the chart, but I did have a stop loss, guys. So you see I missed the setup to sell, but I did not miss the second one. So guys, if you're trading, you could consider entering trades like this. If you're a scalper, I believe this video helped you to scalp better. It's not all about catching those big trades, catching trades from very high time frames. Just a very small move on a low time frame can give you that 1:1 or that 1:2 for you to make your money and leave the chart almost immediately, guys. It was just in like 1, 2, 3, like 5 to 10 minutes. I made my money and I left the chart almost immediately. So guys, see you later in another video. I'll soon be teaching you how to manage risk, so stay tuned. Please help, do me a favor, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new video. Ciao guys.